Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the new Google Notebook LM update, and it is absolutely insane, smarter, faster, and still completely free to use. So Google just dropped a huge update for Notebook LM, their AI-powered search and note-taking tool. Now it doesn't just summarize your PDFs or your notes. It can actually read, analyze, and connect your documents together to help you understand the complex topics instantly. You can upload multiple files like PDFs, docs, and links, and Notebook LM builds a personal AI research assistant that knows everything inside them. You just have to ask, explain this section, or compare the document 1 and 2, and it is going to give you the clear, factual answers with citations. The new update also adds the Gemini integration, meaning it now understands the context better. It writes your summaries in your tone and even creates the study guides and video scripts directly from your sources. So it is like having your own personal researcher that never gets tired. And yes, it is 100% free to use with a Google account. So yeah, the new Notebook LM update is insane, smarter AI, deeper context, and totally free. So would you use it for your studying or your content creation? Tell me in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.